Tracfone minutes not updating is a common issue, usually caused by delays in account synchronization after a purchase or recharge. This happens because the Tracfone app needs to communicate with Tracfone's servers to reflect your new balance. Glitches in the app, network issues, or problems with account verification can cause these delays. Sometimes it's due to latency in eSIM technology or regional network congestion. Don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, refresh the Tracfone app. Go to your phone's settings, find the My Account app, and clear the cache. This forces the app to reload data from the server. Next, dial 777 on your phone. This is a special PIN that triggers an over-the-air update to push your minutes directly from Verizon's system. Finally, ensure your account is synced. Check that your IMEI number is correct and that you have a good Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Also, verify your purchase confirmation via email or SMS. These steps resolve most issues, but if problems persist, contact Tracfone support.